gentlemen, welcome to the state of Qatar. We have just landed into Doha International Airport, where the local time is 5:30 in the morning. For your safety, please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until the aircraft has come to a complete stop and the seatbelt sign has been switched off. Before leaving the aircraft, please ensure that you have all your personal belongings with you. Customers requiring boarding passes for their onward connections are requested to coordinate with the ground staff. Customers holding onward boarding passes are advised to check the flight information display for gate assignment information. For transfer customers flying first class or business class onward destinations with Qatar Airways, the ground transfer will take you to our exclusive premium terminal where you can relax, unwind and enjoy our 5-star facilities. Please present your premium terminal invitation card to the ground staff as you disembark. For our Doha bound customers, kindly proceed to the new arrivals terminal for immigration and customs clearance. May I remind you to have your color-coded boarding pass wallets ready when you disembark and until you reach your terminal. Qatar Airways' preferred hotel in Doha is the RX Rotana Hotel.